In this lesson, we'll move the dispatch logic into the pallet itself, making the system even more modular and extensible. Keeping call enums and dispatch functions at the pallet level lets you isolate pallet-specific logic, making your runtime cleaner and easier to extend. Your task will be now in balances pallet. If I scroll down here, we can find somewhere a call enum. That's new. Here you're supposed to include the transfer variant, which is going to hold a to key, which is going to be an account ID, and an amount, which is going to be a balance. After that, you can remove this variant here, which is just a placeholder marker. A little bit further down, we have this dispatch trait, which comes from the support crate, and we implement it for our pallet. This requires us to specify what the caller is and what the call is. The caller is our account ID, whatever this is going to be. So we access it through T, and then we go into account ID. The call is our enum here of our possible calls. And we pass again because this requires a generic T, which implements config, and we do the same here. We just pass the T because, well, in our example, this requires a config as well. Then there's this function which we now need to specify. This is accepting a caller and a call. And we need here to use a match statement and handle all the branches of a call. So we go in here, match call, and then we access all the available calls and route them to the appropriate function. So in our case, we're going to have the transfer, and this is supposed to call the transfer method. Give it a try. Use named fields in the transfer variant to keep it clear, and pause here to implement the pallet level call enum and dispatch logic.